Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a Facebook swap altering a Pringles can. It came out like this for a quick little sneak peek. And before I share how I put it all together and decorate it on up, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I debated for a while what glue to use, but I thought the double-sided tape would be best to not make any kind of bubbles. And I wish I had the wider one, but I only have this thin one, so this is what I already put on here. And I'm going to take one strand off at a time and slowly adhere the paper, since you can't really slide it around on the double-sided tape. This is the paper that I've selected, and I've already cut it to size, so I'm just gonna put it on down over that first strip. And I'm gonna use my bone folder, and I hope this gets it down nice and tight. I might put a little glue at the edge. We'll see when I come to the end. So now I'm gonna do it like upside down, and I'm gonna start taking off this backing. And at the top and the bottom, I'm going to be putting some sort of trim, so we're gonna hide any imperfections. So I'm gonna keep it flipped this way, and I'm gonna just start removing each tape and putting the piece of paper on. I'm sealing the ends with the liquid glue, and I already put some on the opposite side. So I wasn't happy with how this paper was sitting, so I went back in at the seam and put a small bead of hot glue very slowly across the seam all the way down to try and get it to seal better into place. So I'm just layering up these 2 rows of this trim here, and I think it looks nice with 2 because you got 3 of the pink and 2 silver. It's like odd, and yeah, so I'm gonna keep working on it, and when I'm done I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks. This is the Pringles can, and now that it's all completed, and I just want to zoom in and get you guys a little closer, and I made a couple of embellishments to go along with it. Here it is, guys, and I decided at the very top to try and cut a piece of styrofoam, wrap it in this fabric and trim, and then this is the paper I used on the box. There's some goodies up in here, and it really is simple to get on and off, and I thought that looked real cute. The paper I picked was this beautiful floral. I just love it. I got it from Etsy, and I put this image that was on a napkin, or no, maybe it was just a thin piece of paper. Someone gifted to me, so I fussy cut her out, and I put some tulle and made it like a little shaker, and it does. You know, I have stuff in here, but you can see that it shakes. And I decorated up with pearls. Actually, I should say I bumped this all out, you know, with this pretty little decorative type of frame. I got the flat back pearls, some pearls hanging under this lace bow I put together. Added some little flower rosettes in the middle. This trim. And yeah, that's basically how I did it. Added this little bit of trim at the bottom, and I think it came out super duper cute. You could put, you know, fake flowers in here, use it for craft supplies. The options are endless how you could use this. It is so cute, guys, and I did create some embellishments I wanted to share because there were some requirements. So I made these 2 bag toppers. And this one just has a few layers here. Some ephemera, I stitched up some fabric and some more ephemera, this applique, and then the little blingies and a little piece back here. And then on this one, I also stitched up some fabric. We have the ephemera here, a little banner, the word escape, and the flower, I put a little stickles in there. My first time messing around with that product, and I was having fun with it. So yeah, these are the two bag toppers I created. And then I also created some rosettes. So I used this fabric that I used on the Pringles can and some little ribbon here. And I did stitch this fabric, but my machine was giving me so much trouble, so they weren't really right. But I tried, guys, so my machine's all messed up right now. So that's that one. This one here has the fabric, the butterfly. This I stamped out hello, and I used my stickles. And I thought this came out so cute. And then this one here has some thread and the fabric. And then these are two die-cutted little hearts, the flower, and I added the stickles where the stem was. So these were my rosettes, and I think they're super cute. And I hope that she likes everything that I created here. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was my altered Pringles can, and I think it came out really cute. Shabby chic and vintage is a very new theme for me. I don't always really do that theme, and I had a lot of fun with it, and I think the paper I picked came out great. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.